Are you ready to make a positive impact on the world through sustainable infrastructure? Discover the pivotal role that construction equipment plays in constructing a greener and more sustainable future. At InterstateHeavyEquipment.com, we recognize the importance of sustainable practices in the construction industry. Join us in embracing the transformative power of construction equipment in building sustainable infrastructure. Here's how construction equipment contributes to sustainable development. Number 1. Energy efficiency. Modern construction equipment is designed with energy-efficient features, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. Embrace equipment with advanced technologies that maximize efficiency while minimizing environmental impact. Number 2. Sustainable material handling. Construction equipment enables responsible material handling, minimizing waste and optimizing resource usage. From efficient excavation and grading to precise material placement, equipment plays a crucial role in sustainable material management. Number 3. Recycling and reuse. Construction equipment facilitates recycling and reuse processes, allowing materials to be repurposed and reducing the demand for new resources. Choose equipment that supports recycling initiatives and promotes circular economy practices. Number 4. Electric and hybrid solutions. The rising popularity of electric and hybrid construction equipment is revolutionizing sustainable infrastructure. Experience reduced emissions, noise pollution, and operational costs by incorporating these eco-friendly alternatives into your projects. At InterstateHeavyEquipment.com, we offer a wide range of sustainable construction equipment. Our website serves as a platform to explore our inventory of energy-efficient, electric, hybrid, and technologically advanced machinery. To learn more or discuss your specific needs, contact us at 469-370-7501.